You've probably seen OpenClaw all over your timeline. The lobster emoji, the I built my own Jarvis tweets, the insane demos of AI agents ordering groceries and pushing code while people sleep. And you thought, okay, I want in. Then you looked at the setup and saw Docker, Node.js, terminal commands, config files, and you quietly closed the tab. Trust me, I went through that exact same loop about 4 times before I found something that changes the equation completely. There's now a way to get your own personal AI agent running in under 60 seconds with 0 command line. And I genuinely think this is the easiest on-ramp to AI agents I've ever seen. So in this video, I'm going to show you how BlueStacks AI takes OpenClaw, the most hyped open source AI project of 2026, and turns it into something your non-technical friend could set up during a lunch break. One-click install. Built-in cost controls so you never wake up to a surprise API bill, and a sandboxed environment that keeps the agent completely away from your personal files. I'll walk you through what OpenClaw actually is, a full step-by-step setup so you can follow along, and then the security and cost features that make this different from every other way to run OpenClaw. Let's get into it. OpenClaw in 60 seconds. Why BlueStacks AI exists. Alright, quick context for anyone who's not deep in the AI agent world yet. Now here's the catch, and it's a big one. Setting up OpenClaw traditionally requires Docker, Node.js version 22 or higher, terminal commands, API key configuration, and the patience to troubleshoot when things break. One popular installation guide literally warns that their one-click install script failed twice due to permission errors. And then there's the cost problem. I've seen reports of people spending $300 in 60 hours because every single task was hitting expensive models. On top of that, CrowdStrike published a whole security report on the risks of misconfigured instances getting access to your files, email, and credentials. This is exactly the gap BlueStacks AI is filling. If you know BlueStacks, you probably know them as the company behind one of the most popular Android emulators in the world. What they've done here is take that same virtualization expertise and package OpenClaw into a one-click install that handles the infrastructure, the security, and the cost control for you. No terminal, no Docker, no config files, under 1 minute from download to a working AI agent. So let me actually show you how fast this is. Setting it up step by step. Step 1, go to BlueStacks.ai and download the installer. Double-click it, and if you don't have the runtime already, the wizard handles that for you. Might need one restart, but that's it. Step 2, when BlueStacks AI opens, you'll be asked to set a password and pick your AI provider. This is where you either paste in your own API key from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gemini, Grok, or OpenRouter, or you use a BlueStacks Prime subscription that covers model access for you. Step 3, connect Telegram. Follow the guided steps in the interface. Pick a name for your agent, create a Telegram bot, paste in the token, and pair it with your OpenClaw instance. Copy the pairing code, paste it into the setup screen, and you're connected. That's it. Start chatting with your agent and watch the responses come back in real time. You can check your OpenClaw dashboard to see the virtual desktop where your agent is running, monitor what it's doing, and manage everything from one control center. The whole thing took me under a minute. No terminal. No Stack Overflow tabs. No, why is Node.js throwing a permission error rabbit holes? Just download, configure, connect, and go. Now, if you're thinking, okay, that's easy, but is it actually safe to run an AI agent on my machine? That's the right question, and it's where BlueStacks AI really separates itself, the sandbox that changes everything. When you install OpenClaw the traditional way, the agent runs directly on your system. It can access your files, your browser, your credentials, whatever permissions you give it. And the problem is that most people, especially if they're new to this, don't configure those permissions carefully enough. That's how you end up with an AI agent that has more access to your digital life than most people you know. BlueStacks AI takes a completely different approach. It runs OpenClaw inside a fully isolated virtual machine. Think of it as a secure room where your agent lives and works. Completely walled off from your desktop, your browser, your personal files, everything. The agent cannot reach anything on your system without explicit permission. Your files and accounts stay completely private. This is not a small thing. This is the difference between experimenting with a powerful AI agent and gambling with your personal data. For anyone who's been watching the OpenClaw wave from the sidelines thinking, this sounds amazing, but also kind of terrifying, the Sandbox is the answer. You get all the power of a personal AI agent, without giving it the keys to your entire digital life. But here's the other thing that keeps people away from AI agents. And honestly, it might be even scarier than the security question: the cost. Their cost control that actually works. Every time your agent thinks, responds, runs a background heartbeat check, or spawns a subtask, that's an API call, and those tokens add up fast. The OpenClaw cost optimization community exists for a reason. People were hitting over $1,000 a month because their agent was defaulting to premium models for everything, including tasks that don't need premium reasoning at all. One person described it perfectly. They said their agent was essentially hiring a senior partner at a law firm to open the Daily Mail. BlueStacks AI handles this with hard daily spending caps. You set your own daily limit after subscribing. Pick the cap that fits your comfort level, and once you hit it, the agent stops. No overruns. No surprise bills. No waking up to find your agent burned through your budget overnight, running 100 heartbeat checks on an expensive model. And you have options. One BlueStacks Prime subscription covers everything. Models, tokens, infrastructure, no juggling multiple API keys across providers. Or you can bring your own key from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gemini, Grok, or OpenRouter. Your call. Wrapping up. So to recap, the problem with OpenClaw has never been what it can do. It's been that the setup, the security risks, and the runaway costs kept most people from ever getting started. BlueStacks AI solves all three. One-click install, a sandbox that keeps your personal files completely walled off, and hard spending caps so you're never caught off guard. If you've been sitting on the sidelines watching everyone else build AI agents, this is the on-ramp that finally makes it realistic. If you want to try it, I'll drop the link to BlueStacks.ai in the description, along with their Discord community, where you can pick up tips and connect with other builders. Definitely check that out. Let me know in the comments if you've been trying to get into OpenClaw and what's been holding you back, or if you're already running it, what's your experience been with costs and setup? I'm genuinely curious what this community is building. If you found this helpful, drop a like on the video. It actually helps more than you'd think. And subscribe if you want more no-hype breakdowns of the AI tools that are actually worth your time. I'll see you in the next one.